So good afternoon, everyone. So we are here. We will discuss this question number 7. The key to understand the financial health of a nation. There is some problem. So we have some late. Okay, so let's focus on this. The key to understand the financial health of a nation is budget. What are the major processing in making of budget in India? Elaborate your response with reference with the major actor in budget process. Okay, so this is budget as an indicator of financial health. Second aspect you need to write is process in budget formulation. Third, actor in budget process. The question not demand type of budget, so you should not write that. Now get it? Okay, so we will start our answer. Listen, budget as a word is not mentioned in our constitution. It is mentioned as annual financial statement, article 112. So budget is annual financial statement. And what is actually budget? Budget is the state or government's thought is in reality. The interpretation of thought of government or state in reality is actually budget. Okay, so budget is a value laden document. Budget is a value laden document. The main aim of budget is welfare of state, welfare of people, welfare of state, welfare of people. So now financial health of nation. Just think, if a state budget is basically the money earned, the money spent. You have found that money comes, money goes. This is the budget. This is a document of money received minus money spent. If the money received is more than the money spent, so it is a what? Surplus budget. Is it a? It is a surplus budget. If the money received is less than money spent, or the money spent is more than money received, it is deficit budget. So to fill the gap, government issued to borrowing asset sell. So government sell it asset to fill the gap of the shortage between what money spent and what money received. So deficit budgeting. Clear? So this is two indicator that you find that the financial health of the country. If we have a surplus budget, that indicate financial health is in good state. Okay, that indicate financial health in good state if we have deficit budget where the country resort to borrowing. We can call that bad financial health of state. Clear? Next you can write good financial health. When the state's financial health is good, what happens? State can or country can spend more on welfare activity, that is education, health, PDS, employment generation, infrastructure. State resort to less taxation. The taxation amount would be less, more money with people. So it will ensure what? The growth of nation. The growth of nation. It ensures the growth of nation when states spend more. So what is that? When spend more, that means when healthy. So opposite, bad financial health, shortage of fund, no spending in welfare. So this is your first part of the answer, that budget depict the financial health of a state. After that, process of budget formulation. Here you need to write in detail the role of finance ministry and administrative ministry. I am just giving you a point that finance ministry give form to administrative ministry. For example, administrative ministry is Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Home. So it give a form. The administrative ministry fill it. So what is the fill? Their demand. They give their demand to finance ministry. Very simple thing. Now finance ministry scrutiny the demand. Finance ministry may decrease it. Finance ministry may decrease the demand. Okay. After that, if conflict arise, then finance ministry and administrative ministry can solve the conflict between them, or if not solved, that goes to the union cabinet whose decision is final. Okay, so after the draft made, the finance minister take approval of President of India to present the budget. Now finance minister present the budget in parliament. So this is all about budget formulation. And in the administrative ministry, there is a detailed process of budget formulation, or they give their demand. After that, the last part, actor involved in budget formulation. The actor involved in budget formulation, the main actor is finance ministry. Second actor is all administrative ministry. third actor is, we can call to some extent, Niti Ayog. Niti Ayog also involved in budget formulation. After that, we can call CAG 148. CAG. After that, economic advisor. Advice of different parliamentary committee. What are they? Public Account Committee, Estimate Committee, CPU. They give their advice. After that, Estimate Committee. Estimate Committee already we have written. Departmental Standing Committee. Departmental Standing Committee of Parliament. So this Departmental Standing Committee of Parliament, they scrutinize the budget estimate of different administrative ministry, and they may reduce it. Departmental Standing Committee of Parliament. After that, you can mention that how Parliament involved in budget formulation. So Parliament involved through motion. What motion? Court motion. Policy court, economic court, token court. Through it, Parliament involved in budget formulation. Policy court, economic court, token court. Debate and discussion. So these are various actors involved in budget formulation. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. The key to understand the financial health of a nation is budget. The major process in making of the budget in India, from finance ministry to the parliament, major actor in budget formulation: finance ministry, administrative ministry, Niti Ayog, CAG, parliament. Okay, so this is all about this question. The key to understand the financial health of a nation is budget. What are the major process in making the budget in India? Elaborate your response with reference to major actor in the budgetary process. Okay, so this is the answer. Just watch it. There is some disturbance today. Still, I try to finish it. I am giving you 6 Jan. We have YouTube class at same time, 2 p.m. Tomorrow, special class 11 a.m. Okay, so this is Unacademy. Download this Unacademy Learner app and watch all special class. When you take plus subscription, you get 30 hours of live sessions every day. Lecture by top educator. This cover all this exam. And there is a current affair test series every day. And this is a book I have written for OPSC mains in 2019 mains. Every question from this book. This is your approach to study public administration. These are some units that are same color unit you should read together. I have given in detailed description. So there are personal administration interpreted in public policy, financial in budget, and today we have discussed this budget concept, format, formulation. And there is a new batch I have started from 21 December. You can join it. This is OPSC subscription fee. Use this code. This is a Manthan batch. This is ASO batch. This is B.Ed batch for science and arts. So this is for today. We will meet tomorrow at special class.